Prior to applying collagen jelly cream, the face must be thoroughly cleansed. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for the individual's skin type. Cleansing removes impurities and makeup residue from the skin. Ensure the face is completely dry after cleansing. A clean, dry face allows for optimal absorption of the collagen jelly cream. Proper preparation enhances the effectiveness of skincare products. Proper preparation enhances the effectiveness of skincare products. Prior to applying collagen jelly cream, the face must be thoroughly cleansed. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for the individual's skin type. Cleansing removes impurities and makeup residue from the skin. Ensure the face is completely dry after cleansing. A clean, dry face allows for optimal absorption of the collagen jelly cream. Proper preparation enhances the effectiveness of skincare products. After cleansing, toner application balances the skin's pH levels. Balanced pH levels prepare the skin for optimal absorption of subsequent skincare products. Toner application enhances the effectiveness of serums and moisturizers. Toner helps to remove any residual impurities left after cleansing. Toner can help to minimize the appearance of pores. Regular toner use contributes to healthier and more radiant skin. Serums should be applied after toning the skin. Allow the serum to fully absorb into the skin before proceeding to the next skincare step. Serum application follows the toning step in a skincare routine. Proper serum absorption is essential for optimal effectiveness. The serum application is an optional step in a skincare routine. A pea-sized amount of collagen jelly cream is generally sufficient for facial application. Using a small amount prevents the cream from feeling too heavy on the skin. The recommended amount provides adequate coverage for the entire face. Applying the cream with fingertips allows for controlled and even distribution. Proper application ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness of the cream. Consistent application of the recommended amount contributes to healthier skin. The dotting technique involves applying small amounts of cream to the forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Dotting ensures even distribution of the product across the entire face. This method helps to avoid over-application and ensures a uniform coverage. Even distribution enhances product absorption and effectiveness. The dotting technique is a fundamental step for achieving a flawless makeup base. Apply cream to the face using gentle, upward, and outward motions. Proper application technique involves spreading the cream evenly across the skin's surface. Avoid tugging or pulling the skin during cream application to prevent damage. Gentle application promotes better absorption and reduces the risk of irritation. The cream should be smoothed evenly across the forehead to target fine lines and wrinkles. Gentle upward strokes are recommended when applying the cream. Consistent application can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Proper application technique enhances the cream's effectiveness. Gently massage the cream into the cheeks using circular motions. Circular motions promote blood circulation in the cheek area. Enhanced blood circulation improves cream absorption into the skin. Effective absorption ensures that the active ingredients in the cream reach their target. Proper application technique maximizes the benefits of the cream. Consistent circular massage aids in maintaining healthy skin. Apply the cream gently to the nose. Avoid applying cream to the delicate skin around the nostrils. Use gentle, downward strokes when applying the cream. Proper application ensures even distribution and absorption of the cream. Consistent, gentle application can improve the cream's effectiveness. Cream should be applied to the chin and jawline using upward strokes. The application of upward strokes helps to lift the skin. Upward strokes along the jawline contribute to a firming effect. The cream should be applied towards the ears during the upward stroking motion. Consistent application with upward strokes can improve skin elasticity and reduce sagging. The application can be extended down to the neck area. Apply the product to the neck using upward strokes. Upward strokes help to hydrate the skin on the neck. This application technique can contribute to firming the neck area. Gently patting the face with fingertips aids in the full absorption of cream into the skin. The patting motion stimulates blood circulation in the facial area. Enhanced absorption and circulation contribute to improved skin health and appearance. Consistent, gentle patting can optimize the benefits of skincare products. Complete absorption of cream into the skin is necessary before applying additional products. Allowing sufficient absorption time prevents interference with the cream's intended effects. Premature application of other skincare products may hinder the absorption process. Waiting ensures the cream's active ingredients fully interact with the skin at a cellular level. Optimal absorption time ensures maximum benefit from the cream's formulation. Collagen jelly cream can be incorporated into both morning and nighttime skincare routines. In the morning, collagen jelly cream should be followed by sunscreen application. At night, collagen jelly cream can serve as the final step in a skincare regimen. The cream's versatility allows for flexible integration into existing skincare practices. Morning application focuses on hydration and protection, while nighttime application emphasizes repair and nourishment. Consistent use of collagen jelly cream, both day and night, maximizes its potential benefits for skin health. Daily use of collagen jelly cream is recommended for optimal results. Consistent application of the cream contributes to improved skin hydration. Regular use of collagen jelly cream enhances skin elasticity over time. The benefits of collagen jelly cream are realized through sustained, consistent application. Collagen jelly cream should be stored in a cool, dry environment to preserve its quality. Direct sunlight exposure can degrade the efficacy of collagen jelly cream. Maintaining proper storage conditions ensures the collagen jelly cream retains its intended benefits. Optimal storage helps prevent the breakdown of collagen and other active ingredients in the cream.